Did you know harsh chemicals can damage stone surfaces? What Stanley Steemer recommends is not putting any kind of harsh chemicals on stone. What it can do is it can actually etch your stone to the point where you would have to have someone come out and use a diamond grinder. What Stanley Steemer recommends is have us come out. So we do travertine and terrazzo, all kinds of different stones. And what we'll do is we'll take a stripper and we will strip the seal that's on there, because that seal is holding years of dirt in it. And once we're done, we will actually take that seal off, clean it with 1,600 pounds of pressure. And once that seal is removed, we'll actually reapply a new seal to it to give it that shine back.
The equipment that we have, which is made by Stanley Steemer, it's very powerful. We do a lot of techniques that the average company is not going to do. When we're in there cleaning, they have several different tools, both cleaning carpet and the tile, to make sure that everything comes out to their expectations. If you set the expectations properly, then you have a referral and a repeat customer for life.
If you're ready for a professional cleaning, you can book your service today by clicking the link below.
Stanley Steemer gets your